Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Cute Kittens and Puppies. Have you ever noticed your feline companion meticulously leaving some morsels uneaten in their bowl, as if saving them for later? This peculiar behavior can be puzzling for many pet owners. To unravel this mystery, we need to delve into the natural instincts and environmental factors influencing a cat's eating habits. Firstly, consider the natural instincts of a kitty. Cats are predators by nature, wired to hunt and feast in short bursts. This instinctual behavior is deeply ingrained, even in domesticated moggies. In the wild, a mouser would catch smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Therefore, leaving food behind in their bowl could simply be an extension of their natural feeding pattern, a little here, a little later. Environmental factors also play a crucial role. The location of the food bowl can affect how much a pussycat eats. If the bowl is in a noisy or high-traffic area, your puss may feel uneasy, preferring to eat quickly and leave before feeling secure enough to finish. Similarly, the type of bowl used can deter a feline from eating. Whisker fatigue, a condition where a cat's sensitive whiskers brush against the sides of a deep or narrow bowl, can cause discomfort and discourage them from eating all their food. Another reason might be the freshness of the food. Cats have a strong sense of smell and are naturally inclined to prefer fresh food, just as they would encounter in the wild. If the food has been sitting out for too long, your tabby might turn its nose up at the less than appetizing meal, opting to leave it unfinished in the hopes of fresher fare being offered later. Moreover, the diet itself could be a contributing factor. Just like humans, kitties have individual tastes and preferences. Some foods might not agree with them or simply don't entice their palate. If a cat consistently leaves a particular type of food uneaten, it might be a sign that it's time for a menu change. Also, consider the social dynamics if you have more than one moggy. Cats are generally solitary eaters and can be quite territorial about their food. If one feels bullied or intimidated by another, they might abandon their meal prematurely. Observing the interactions between your pets during mealtime can provide valuable insights into their feeding behavior. Lastly, overfeeding is a common issue. Many pet owners tend to fill the bowl, expecting their cat to manage its intake throughout the day. However, if the portion sizes exceed what they naturally consume in a single sitting, your feline might just be leaving the excess food because they are full. Understanding these aspects of your cat's behavior can be quite fascinating, as it opens a window into their instinctual world and helps strengthen the bond you share with your pet. Let's keep exploring how these insights translate into practical tips for managing your kitty's feeding habits. Diving deeper into the nuances of feline behavior, it's also essential to explore the psychological aspects that might influence why a cat leaves food in their bowl. Cats are not just driven by hunger. Their eating habits are also impacted by their emotional state and health. Stress plays a significant role in a cat's life, much like it does in humans, and can deeply affect their eating patterns. Changes in the household, such as new pets, new people, or even changes in the home layout, can unsettle a cat. A stressed puss might eat less, leaving food behind as a sign of discomfort. Understanding and minimizing these stressors can help your kitty feel more secure and likely to finish their meals. Health issues can also cause a cat to leave food uneaten. Dental problems, gastrointestinal issues, or other underlying health conditions can make eating painful or unappetizing. Regular veterinary checkups are crucial to ensure your feline friend is in good health and not avoiding their food due to discomfort or illness. Another factor to consider is the interaction between multiple cats within the same household. As mentioned, cats can be territorial, and this extends to their food. Establishing separate feeding areas can help reduce tension and allow each cat to eat peacefully without feeling threatened by their housemates. This separation can help ensure that each mouser feels secure enough to finish their meal. Behavioral training and routine establishment can also influence how much a kitty eats. Cats thrive on routine, and establishing a consistent feeding schedule can help regulate their eating habits. Feeding them at the same time and place every day creates a sense of security and predictability, encouraging them to eat their fill. Additionally, the way food is presented can affect a cat's desire to eat. Experimenting with different types of food, such as switching between dry and wet foods, can cater to a kitty's preference and stimulate their appetite. Also, some cats may prefer their food served at a particular temperature, mimicking the warmth of freshly caught prey. As we delve into these factors, it becomes clear that a cat's feeding behavior is a complex interplay of instinct, environment, health, and psychology. By paying close attention to these elements, cat owners can better understand and cater to their feline friends' needs, ensuring they are happy, healthy, and well-fed. This deeper understanding can greatly enhance the relationship between you and your cat, creating a harmonious and nurturing environment for your beloved pet. Let's continue exploring more about the fascinating world of cats and their intriguing behaviors. As we delve even further into the intricate world of cat behavior, it becomes apparent that the small details matter immensely in understanding why a cat may leave food in their bowl. Sensory experiences, for example, play a significant role in how a cat interacts with its food. Cats have highly developed senses, and their perception of food can be influenced by the smell, texture, and even the sound environment around them. The sensory appeal of food can be crucial. Cats are known to have specific preferences for textures, which can vary from one individual to another. Some might favor chunky wet foods, while others prefer smoother, pate-type textures. The scent of the food also matters, as cats rely heavily on their sense of smell to determine what's edible and what's not. Serving food that is not aromatic enough or is unfavorably different from their usual fare can result in a kitty turning up its nose. It's also important to consider the acoustics of the feeding area. Cats are sensitive to noise, and a feeding station near a noisy kitchen appliance or a high-traffic area might discourage them from finishing their meals. A quiet, low-stress corner where they can eat undisturbed might just be what your kitty needs to feel comfortable enough to eat everything in their bowl. Behavioral quirks also come into play. Some cats exhibit what's known as food guarding behaviors, where they may leave food ostensibly untouched only to return to it when they feel safer or less observed. This behavior can stem from past experiences where they may have had to compete for food, or it could simply be an instinctive tactic to ensure food availability later. Lastly, the human-cat interaction cannot be overlooked. Cats are not merely pets. They are members of the family, and their behaviors can often be a reflection of the attention they receive from their humans. Spending time with your cat during meals, gently encouraging them to eat, and providing affection can reassure a timid or stressed cat, helping them feel more secure during mealtimes. Understanding these myriad factors offers a more holistic view of why a cat might leave food in their bowl. It's a blend of biology, environment, health, and emotional well-being. By addressing these aspects, you can help ensure your cat not only eats well but is also happy and healthy in their home environment. With this deeper insight, cat owners can approach their pets' feeding habits with empathy and understanding, fostering a nurturing and enriching environment for their beloved feline companions. As we conclude this exploration, remember that each cat is unique, and their behaviors are a window into their complex inner worlds. If you have any questions or would like to delve deeper into any other aspect of cat behavior or care, do not hesitate to ask. We are here to help you. If you think this information could benefit someone else, share it with your friends or on your social networks. Sharing is supportive and helps us reach more people. Thanks for watching and listening. Please Subscribe to my channel. Believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams.